Adobe affiliate program. In this video we will see how we can sign up for their affiliate account, their commission plan, cookie life, payment method, and I think this is all you want to know about this affiliate program. But if you want to know more about other affiliate programs, you can subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Here it is adobe.com. You may know about Adobe because we all use their famous tool, for example Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator. So to join their affiliate program you need to go to adobe.com/affiliate. So come over to this URL. I will provide you in the description also, and you will see this page in front of you, Adobe affiliate program. Go down and you can see they are providing 30-day cookie life for their affiliates. What is the meaning of cookie life? If you don't know, it's mean when anyone clicks on your affiliate link, they will go to adobe.com. Maybe they will not buy any product, they will just check, visit, and that's it. Within next 30 days, if they come back and buy any product, you will still get commission. Now just go down and you can see if someone use their monthly subscriptions, we will get 85% for the first month. If someone buy their yearly, and you can see this is for first year, 8.33%, and this is for the first month. They also have their stock images, stock photos. If you want to use this one, you can see that they are paying for monthly payment it's $72, and for the single purchase it's 8.33, and these are their commission plans. You can just see the details here on this page. But how you can apply for that affiliate program, just you need to click here apply now, and you can apply for their affiliate program. As you can see, it's easy and free to join. Go down and you need to provide your country here, your language, business type, all these details, and then go down and click here create account. That's it, you will have your account. Now in my case I already have my account, so I will click here sign in, and now you will see my account in front of you. These are my login details. I will click here login. As you can see, this is my account. This is the dashboard of Adobe affiliate program. This is how you are gonna see your dashboard. And once you will click here Adobe program, you can see their programs in tracking. You can get your banners and links. But if you will click here accounts and payment information, you need to provide your bank details to receive your money. So I hope you understand everything, your payment method, your cookie life, and your sign up process, commission. If you still have any question, you can comment below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.